Hello? Is anyone in there? I guess there's no one there. See ya. What's going on, noisy birds? It's your boy Worry here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, vlog, whatever you call it, we're gonna be getting out into nature. How exciting! So anyways, hope you enjoy. Beautiful day as usual. Plus it's better than a Monday afternoon because there was an unexpected thunderstorm that afternoon. I don't remember some of it, but moving on from that, it's a beautiful day, as I already said. In this video, I decided to ditch the hidden disabilities lanyard. Poor little bunny, I'm gonna miss you. But guess what? I can still be myself even when I don't have a hidden disabilities lanyard. Thumbs up for this one. Oh, and just in case if any of you guys missed out or something like that, I've also launched my Instagram profile. Here's my handle if you want to follow me or have a wander around. Cheers! If you want to go on a hike or something, you can use a hiking stick. You don't have to use a hiking stick, but I think that could be good. It can also be good without a hiking stick too. An off-topic curious question, but is it that important if you're filming not just yourself, maybe filming whatever is around you, that you should turn the action mode button on an iPhone like mine? Comment your opinions down below if you want. No pressure. So before we go ahead this way, I'm going to show you guys what's going on with the river from my point of view. So as you can see here, which the trees are blocking the way from where I am, to me what it sounds like is I think the river is a tiny bit louder than peaceful, just a bit like a library. The reason why we're that is because it was raining. And as I said before, there was an unexpected thunderstorm on a Monday afternoon. So, yeah. Now that's out of the way, let's keep going. this is the part that gets wacky. Like maybe this wacky? I'm not sure. Anyway. Water bottle break time. Whoop, whoop. If you have nowhere to sit when you're on a walk, you can stay standing, I reckon. Hello, Mr. Water Bottle. Very nice. I've never seen a black cockatoo on this vlog before, which is interesting. I've actually seen black cockatoos before in my point of view, but not in this area, which I've already seen. Holy shit, that was a bit slippery. And that's it. That's really it. Thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy, you can hit that like button, and if you don't want to miss out on my latest creations, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. You guys already know what to do. You don't need me, right? Just kidding. There's absolutely no pressure if you don't want to do those, or if you're not interested. I'm fine with it. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.